Tell me where you are, tell me where you are. The summer nights, the bright lights.
Hey guys!
Hello!
So my name is Philippe,
I'm Rita,
and the class of today will be focused on weight transfer and partner control. Okay, so let's go directly to the explanation of the steps. Okay, so this combination is really simple. Let's try to do it separately. Rita to this side and Philippe, myself, to this side. The first step will be with our right. Will be a touch to the right and come back. The third step will be the same, a touch to the right, and on the fourth step we are going to rotate to our left side, okay, 90 degrees. So fifth step, we walk forward. On the sixth step we are going to change again our direction to the left, so we walk to our left side. Seventh step, we open, and eighth step, we do mark.
So from this perspective to the girl, we start with our right two. So on one, we open in a touch and then come back. On three, again a touch to the right. On four, we change to our left side. On five, we come back with our left. On six, 90 degrees back with our right. Six, now seven, open with our left, and eight, mark. So now let's try to do in couple with counts. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And from a different perspective, the same movement. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So things that you need to have in mind to do this step properly. Three things. The first one will be your frame. Use a solid frame to lead your partner properly. The second thing is your right hand. Use your right hand to help your partner to change the direction. And the last thing is the intention. So when we are together, on the third step, if we don't use our right hand here to help our partner to change, and if we are not using our intention to rotate, she wouldn't understand. Okay, so this was the today's class.
And if you like our class, don't forget to subscribe our channel and stay tuned for new upcoming videos. Hope to see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.